Hello everyone, welcome back for making this Lohri craft. But we need two ivory sheet and one any handmade sheet of any design, any color, and we I have already made four lines and one circle and one another circle inside it. You can make it with the help of any circular object, bowl or cup, and we have to cut it like a flower shape after drawing it, and we will paste it horizontally in the center of the sheet with along with the strips on the sides. And now we will measure our bodies of one sardarji and sardarni on the sides. So we will take the measurements how much we require them, and then we will start drawing them. So let's just draw them. I'm using here this black marker. If you're not comfortable directly in drawing, so you can use simply a pencil, and slowly, step by step, you can just do it to complete it nicely. And we will start from the head and then the headgear, and then we will start making the hands in the position that he is dancing. Open hands like in a dancing form, and the dholak, so that look like that he's holding a dholak in his neck, hanging a dholak. Other details, and on the another right hand side we're going to make a girl, and let's just make it with the tikas, facial expressions and hairs proper in Punjabi dress. And then again we're going to hang a dholak in her neck, and same wavy hands in both the sides. Let's make the dholak now. And the dupatta. So these drawings are completed here. We're going to color them, and I'm adding a fire also, because without it Lode is incompleted, and we're going to make it and then we will color it. You can use any kind of colors here, any type of colors. I'm using pencil colors. You can mix crayons, sketch pens, oil pastels, paints, any, in whichever you feel comfortable. Just have to finish them color, but you can pick the same colors like I'm doing here, first red, then orange, and then I will do the yellow in it. Medium you can have of your choice. You can just take a look to the shading, how I'm doing a shading, so that you can copy it exactly to give it the same look. Here I'm using different color tones of brown, dark burnt sienna, then ochre yellow, and then the yellow for the light. Burnt sienna is a brown color, and here again burnt sienna, the brown color in the dholak for the darkest part, and then in the center also we'll do the shadow part, the darkest part in the sides. In the center it's ochre yellow, mustard color. Again mustard color for the shading, and yellow in the center. Again yellow for the light, and I'm using the brown sketch pen in the center. I did the same on the other side also. Here I'm using the again dark brown color in the beard first, then I will do the finishing with the black. In eyebrows I'm using black color, hairs black on the sides, and brown in the center. A little shading of the black on the side, and then we're doing the faces dark. It's a simple orange color you can use for the dark part. I'm using it on sides and eyes and nose, and in the center I'm using the skin color. Double shading in the skin, you can see over here, same In the hands, dark part, the orange color on the sides as an outliner. In the girl face also. Showing the depth, the darker color, and showing the light, the lightest color. Now the skin color in the rest of the area. Make sure you leave the face, the mouth white. Now I'm using in the dress the dark pink color. You can use magenta also. Again I'm going to shade it with the light pink. Light pink in the center. In the remaining part. And then we're going to use the brown and ochre yellow and yellow in the tika, and dupatta will be blue, exactly contrasting dark blue I'm using on the side for giving the shading, and we'll do the light sky blue inside it. Just use two colors of one light and one darker of same family, and you will get definitely the beautiful effects of colors. Let's just finish the dupatta. And then I'm using the pink color in the mouth and orange in the remaining area. You have to left the teeth white only, and these are the purple violet color I'm using here. Purple or violet, any color you can use in the pagdi for the darkest part, and in the center we'll use the sky blue. So let's just do the darker part shading, and then we will fill the lighter one. Now I'm going to do the green color shading in the dress, and using first the darkest green, and in the center to fill it we're using the light green leaf green color. And as red goes amazing with the green color, I'm going to do the red in the jacket. So let's just do the red for the darkest part, and I will do the yellow for the shading for the light part in along with the red. And not only here, we're going to use the yellow color in the girl's dress also in the dupatta, and it will let you drawing your painting definitely for the lightning. And you can use here the purple color again in the hanging strips of the dholak, and I have cut them in with the help of scissor, and we're going to assemble them. In the center I'm going to write happy Lohri, and you can write with pencil again. I'm using a sketch pen over here, and I'm using here the calligraphy, bubbly calligraphy, overlapping one. You can write it the way you want, as white will appear more nicely above the darkest part, so I've just left it white. I'm using here this hangings as I was feeling it was looking a little bit empty, so you can just make this lines, curvy lines, and then the V hangings below it, and we're going to color them with your favorite color. You can color them, and pasting the happy Lohri in the center, the fire in the lower, and the sides filled with the girl and boy. So this is how you can just assemble them, and your Lohri Craft drawing is completed here. You can take a look and do try it, and do not forget to sign your drawing after completing it, and write the date. So thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you liked it.